Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Steffi, and in today's video we are going to do a how-to on vision boards for 2022. So firstly, you may be actually wondering, what is a vision board? So a vision board is a visual representation of your dream life. Now I know that sounds really corny, but this is what it is. And if I'm honest, I had no idea what a vision board was a good few years ago, and everyone around me told me to create one for my life, and I thought, no, I'm not going to do anything like that. And then I actually decided to do a digital one on my Pinterest. And oh my god, I loved it. Loved it so much that I actually am going to be doing a print off one on a cork board, so to speak, kind of like a push pin board. That is what we are going to be doing today. There will be chapters in this video as well that you will see down below as well. So if you are looking for something specific, you know, if you want to just watch me do my tutorial on how I create my vision board, then please do skip to say this number, for example. Now, your vision board should make you feel motivated and excited and inspired and everything for what kind of life you want to live. So with my physical vision board that I want to have in my hand, I am going to be popping it up in one of my rooms. I do actually have 2 bedrooms currently in my parents' house. Very grateful. I use both rooms every day, but I don't want it to kind of be there where it just looks like a burden. I have to, you know, physically have to go in to the room to see it. So this is my current bedroom, and then my other room is actually kind of where my wardrobe is and my makeup and my desk and things like that. So obviously to get dressed every day and to do my skincare routine and my makeup, I have to go into that room. So my plan is to either have it on my wall or have it on my desk, or just lent up against somewhere that I'm going to visually see every day, and it's not gonna be like a routine that I end up resenting. Now you also maybe be asking, what do I even put on a vision board? Now this is entirely personal and literally up to you. So with me, what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a printout vision board for 2022, but also on my phone I will have a vision board for 2023 plus, so what I would like to see in the future, if that makes sense. With my digital printout vision board, I will actually be making it my laptop background as well, because I feel like I will be on my laptop quite a few times as well. I am going to be wanting to see it every day, or whenever I can, you know, whenever I'm on my laptop editing, uploading, filming videos and bits and pieces like that. So if you are enjoying this video so far, please do hit the subscribe button, because this year I'm going to be doing content all about self-love, self-care, inner peace and wellness as well. So if that sounds something up your street, then please do stick around. You can literally put anything on your vision board, whether it is photos, quotes, affirmations, literally absolutely anything, and we will go through what my goals are as well and what I am going to be putting on my vision board. And at the end of the day, like I said, it can be absolutely anything that really does radiate that positivity that you want in your life, or you want to achieve, or you want to have in your life. Now another question people ask is, how long is this going to take? It can take as long or as less time as you want. At the end of the day, it is all down to you and your preference and what you want. If it's going to take you 5 minutes, it's going to take you 5 minutes. If it's going to take you 3 hours, it's going to take you 3 hours. I suppose it kind of depends if you're doing, say, like a print off one, or if you're just doing one on, say, like Pinterest or on Canva or anything like that you are wanting to do yours on. So when you are creating your vision board, you really need to be in a positive frame of mind, because if you're in a very stressed environment, or your head's not good, or you know, you're angry or thinking negatively, everything that you are thinking and feeling is going to project onto your vision board. So a good thing and tip is either maybe meditate before, maybe do a yoga flow, maybe do some journaling as well, just writing down kind of bits and pieces and actually plan kind of before, rather than say just going on Google Images or Pinterest and looking for pictures. You need to kind of plan and prep what you want, unless you are just that person that you know what you want straight away and you can just do it, which is great as well. But you need to write down your ideal life and the life that you want to live, and I just find that that helps so much, and that is exactly what I have done. So how are you all feeling after all that? Do you now have an idea for your vision board? Do you now kind of see your life that you want to live on your vision board? If so, let's get into making them. Okay, so this is my board. I've had this, kind of like notice board. I've had this for a very long time, but I have decided I'm going to be using this with like little push pins and everything to stick all my pictures on. My pictures are all here on my laptop, and what I'm going to do is go downstairs, print them off, and then we are going to create my vision board, which I'm very excited about. And what I'll do is I will talk through bits and pieces with my vision board for you. So these are the 4 pages that I printed off to begin with. So first things first, meditation on the beach. I want to do more meditation in general. So meditation, yoga on the beach. Love that. As well as having my own yoga room in my new place that me and Shane are going to be getting and achieving. I also have this little kind of quote down here. Basically, hopefully you can see that, where it says what I thought my journey would look like, what my journey actually looks like. Also down here I've got make money as an influencer, because I am hoping and wanting and kind of manifesting that I am able to be a full-time influencer and go freelance initially. So that is the goal. And then of course I've got running along the beach, because I love the beach so much. And then this is a picture I found on Pinterest, which I really like. I love the whole idea of that as like the entrance of mine and Shane's house, so that is what I am manifesting. And then I have this one, which is going to be the back door to the house as well. I know that can look like as a front door, but I really like that as a back garden kind of vibe. And then up here I've got I now do work I love and I'm well paid for it, with a peace sign. If you know me personally, I'm always like peace signing my life. I also have a quote. My goal for the next year is to just fall back in love with myself and the world and life again. So I like that one, quite nice. I then have my vlogging camera, and this, I believe it's called a gimbal, to help with like stability. I do really want to get that at some point, and obviously I already have this part, which is what you're being filmed on, but I do want to get a gimbal as well to really help with, say, like running and those kind of vlogs and bits and pieces like that. Having this as well is really gonna kind of help me vlogging wise as well this year. And then this is a picture of someone with clear skin, because that is the goal as well. Moving on, I then have 3 dishes, 3 pictures of dishes which are kind of healthier, so just to kind of help me eat better, and especially always have like veg as well, and obviously my protein and things. I then have this picture of this girl doing yoga on the beach, because this is what I want to do. I live by the sea, you know, like I have the beach here all the time, and I really do want to kind of make my life here and, you know, appreciate the beach way more, even in the winter, to be fair. And then this picture is a picture of a couple moving in, so manifesting that to be me and my boyfriend. And then this is the last page. A bit cringe, but it is what it is. An engagement ring. An engagement ring would be nice to happen this year, so I am manifesting that. And then a picture of Whitney Simmons with Gymshark. She has a collab with Gymshark. To be fair, a couple of these on this page are like dream collabs that I would actually love to do one day, or, you know, be on a PR list or something like that. So Gymshark, I'm literally wearing like her leggings right now. You can't really see. But I absolutely love her, as well as Kelsey O'Connor as well. She is a Canadian fitness influencer, and I love them both. I love Gymshark fitness wear anyway, so I would love to one day be able to collab or be on a PR list, or, you know, be able to visit their headquarters and stuff like that. That'd be amazing. Skinny is pretty much what I'm on. I pay for this monthly. I did have, I think, 1 or 2 months free where I did actually work with them, which was really cool. Well, I say work with them, they kind of approached me to use my comparison pictures because it is a prescribed cream prescription as such to help with clear skin. So yeah, I'd love to, you know, eventually be an influencer with them or collab with them or things like that. I'd still happily pay the £20 a month. Is, you know, it's not that I can't afford it or anything, it's just so far I have found that they've really helped, so it would be, you know, another one to work with. Financial freedom, I do like the idea of this one. I like how there's a beach and stuff. That is pretty much going to be me in control of my finances and paying off my credit card debt that I have and things like that. I then have this one, my income is constantly increasing, because this is going to be me manifesting. I really want to take off, you know, I really do want to work for myself. I really do want to be financially in control. I don't want to have to worry if I can't, you know, afford anything, and I want to give back to my family because my family have given me so much in my life and I'm so grateful. So I'd love to be able to, you know, give back to them, not just giving them money by any means, but, you know, say being able to take them on a holiday or treat them to something. So, and then the last two are things that are very personal to me as well. So this one is by Smile. I believe it's the like the Invisalign kind of situation where you pay however much and you get like a kit for like braces and things like that initially. That would be really cool if we was able to collab or something along the lines, but regardless, I really do want to, you know, kind of focus more on my insecurities, and my teeth are quite crooked, so I really do want to take a little bit more care of them. And I've always wanted fast track braces, but I've never been able to kind of afford them or budget for them, so I feel like this could be a great alternative, as well as the London Vision Clinic for laser eye surgery. Now again, if you don't know, I wear contact lenses, and the amount of money that I spend on contact lenses monthly and yearly, and how I have done for however much, I probably could have afforded laser eye surgery. But again, I would love to get laser eye surgery, you know, again, like if that was a collab or something. I'm not just doing this just to get free stuff, because it's not that at all. It's just more of the fact that they are very relatable things with me, and I feel like if I can do that and, you know, kind of work things out, then that would be amazing. We already have things planned, so like traveling wise, we've already got 3 holidays booked. We're going to the theatre a few times, we've got a concert as well that we're going to, so let's get to making it. So this is what my vision board has ended up looking like. I could probably add a few more like pins and everything so it doesn't fall, but I'm quite happy with how it is, to be fair. So it's quite a nice mixture. There was a couple of the food ones that didn't fit and I did have to trim a few down, but I'm quite happy, at least with this, with the tabs. I can kind of see that that is a clear skin cheek, for example. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. And the good thing with like push pins as well is that you can like swap and change around. So if I feel like I'm getting a bit bored with the layout, I can like swap them around, or if I need to add, or say we get the place, you know, then at least I can take that off and then replace it with something new as well. It could be anything, but I'm very happy with this, very happy. So I think, to be fair, I think I am just gonna pop it pretty much just here, because I really like how when I'm sat at my desk, editing and everything, I can just see it. It's there really, really nice when I walk in and everything as well. So I am very, very happy with it set there. So I hope that you really, really enjoyed me creating my vision board and everything. And if you are inspired and you are looking to make one yourself, or you do end up making one, I would love to see. So please do head over to Instagram. My Instagram is selflovewithstephy, and I would absolutely love to see them. So please do tag me or private message me and everything. And yeah, I just, oh, I love this. It brings out my creativity side and my graphic design GCSE qualification. So that is the end of today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, but when you do, make sure you hit that notification bell, and then that way you'll be notified when I next upload. And I'll see you guys in a brand new video soon. Bye.